Are you ready to explore the groundbreaking advancements in artificial intelligence that are set to redefine our world? Imagine a future where AI not only assists us in our daily tasks, but also creates art, drives ethical innovations, and personalizes our experiences to an unprecedented degree. How will these innovations affect our jobs, our interactions, and our very identities? Join us as we delve into the top 8 AI innovations that are poised to change everything, transforming our lives in ways we've only dreamed of. Join us for this exciting journey into the future of AI, where each innovation holds the promise of a new dawn in technology and society. Generative AI crafting the future of creativity. Generative AI represents one of the most exciting and transformative developments in artificial intelligence. This technology, which includes models like GPT-4 and Stable Diffusion, can create text, images, music, and even entire virtual environments from simple prompts. The underlying technology works by training on vast datasets, allowing it to generate new content that is often indistinguishable from that created by humans. For example, GPT-4, the largest language model to date, can generate coherent and contextually relevant text, making it a valuable tool for content creators, marketers, and educators. It can write essays, create marketing copy, and even compose poetry. On the visual side, Stable Diffusion can generate realistic images from textual descriptions, revolutionizing fields such as digital art, medical imaging, and graphic design. Generative AI is also making significant strides in the entertainment industry. It can produce new scripts for movies and TV shows, design game environments, and even create virtual influencers who interact with fans in real time. This blend of creativity and technology not only enhances the content creation process, but also democratizes it, allowing more people to participate in creative endeavors without needing advanced technical skills. Multimodal AI, a unified approach to learning and interaction. Multimodal AI is an innovative approach that allows artificial intelligence systems to process and interpret information from multiple sources, such as text, images, and audio simultaneously. This ability to integrate and analyze diverse types of data enables AI to understand context more deeply and provide more accurate and relevant responses. In practical terms, multimodal AI can enhance various applications from healthcare to customer service. For instance, in medicine, multimodal AI can combine patient records, medical images, and genetic information to provide more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. Multimodal AI is used to create interactive educational tools that offer dynamic learning. These tools feature AI tutors that engage with students through text, speech, and visuals, providing real-time responses to questions. Democratization of AI empowering the masses. The democratization of AI refers to making AI tools and technologies accessible to a broader audience, regardless of technical expertise or financial resources. This movement is driven by the development of user-friendly AI applications that integrate seamlessly into everyday life, allowing more people to leverage the power of AI for various purposes. The implications of AI democratization are profound. For individuals, it means access to powerful tools that can assist in learning, content creation, and personal productivity. For businesses, especially small and medium enterprises, it offers the ability to compete on a more level playing field with larger corporations by leveraging AI to optimize operations, improve customer engagement, and innovate products and services. Moreover, the widespread availability of AI tools fosters innovation and creativity by removing barriers to entry. People from diverse backgrounds can now contribute to the development of AI-driven solutions, leading to a richer and more inclusive technological ecosystem. This shift not only accelerates the pace of technological advancement, but also ensures that the benefits of AI are more evenly distributed across society. Workplace AI revolutionizing productivity and job roles. AI adoption in the workplace is transforming how businesses operate, enhancing productivity and reshaping job roles. AI technologies are being integrated into various processes, from administrative tasks to strategic decision-making, allowing employees to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their work. One of the significant benefits of workplace AI is its ability to automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks. For instance, AI-powered tools can handle data entry, scheduling, and customer service inquiries, freeing up employees to engage in higher-value activities. This not only boosts efficiency, but also reduces the risk of human error, leading to better overall outcomes. In addition to automation, AI is also facilitating the emergence of new job roles and career paths. As businesses adopt AI-driven solutions, there is a growing demand for professionals with skills in AI development, data analysis, and AI ethics. Roles such as prompt engineers, AI ethicists, and AI trainers are becoming increasingly important as organizations strive to implement AI responsibly and effectively. Personalization at scale, tailoring experiences for everyone. Personalization has become a key trend in AI, transforming how businesses interact with customers and deliver services. AI enables the creation of highly personalized experiences by analyzing vast amounts of data to understand individual preferences, behaviors, and needs. This capability allows businesses to offer tailored recommendations, products, and services that resonate more deeply with their audience. One of the most prominent examples of AI-driven personalization is seen in platforms like Netflix, Spotify, and TikTok. These platforms use sophisticated recommendation algorithms to serve content that is highly relevant to each user, enhancing engagement and satisfaction. By continuously learning from user interactions, these AI systems can predict and anticipate preferences, creating a more immersive and enjoyable experience. Beyond consumer applications, personalization at scale is also transforming fields like education and healthcare. In education, AI can create customized learning paths for students, addressing their unique strengths and weaknesses. This approach helps students learn more effectively and stay motivated. In healthcare, personalized treatment plans based on patient data can lead to better health outcomes and more efficient care delivery. Digital humans and digital twinning, bridging real and virtual worlds. Digital humans and digital twinning are emerging as powerful tools in our increasingly digital interactions. Digital humans are AI-driven avatars that can interact with people realistically, while digital twins are virtual replicas of physical entities that can be used for simulation and analysis. Digital humans are becoming more prevalent in customer service, marketing, and entertainment. These avatars can provide personalized assistance, conduct virtual consultations, and even serve as virtual brand ambassadors. Advances in AI and computer vision are making digital humans more lifelike and capable of understanding and responding to human emotions and behaviors. Digital twinning, on the other hand, is revolutionizing industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and urban planning. By creating a virtual model of a physical object or system, digital twins enable real-time monitoring, simulation, and optimization. For example, in manufacturing, digital twins can be used to simulate production processes, identify potential issues, and improve efficiency. In healthcare, digital twins of organs or entire bodies can assist in diagnosing diseases and planning surgeries. AI in healthcare, revolutionizing patient care. AI is making a profound impact on healthcare, transforming the way medical professionals diagnose, treat, and monitor patients. One of the most significant advancements is the use of AI for early disease detection and diagnosis. AI algorithms can analyze medical images such as X-rays and MRIs with a level of accuracy that rivals or even surpasses human experts. This capability enables earlier and more accurate detection of conditions like cancer, leading to better patient outcomes. AI is also enhancing personalized medicine by analyzing a patient's genetic information and medical history to recommend customized treatment plans. This approach increases the effectiveness of treatments and minimizes adverse reactions. For example, AI can predict how a patient will respond to a particular medication, allowing doctors to choose the best possible treatment from the start. In addition to diagnosis and treatment, AI is revolutionizing patient monitoring and care. AI-powered wearable devices can continuously monitor vital signs and alert healthcare providers to potential issues in real time. This continuous monitoring is particularly beneficial for managing chronic conditions, where timely interventions can prevent complications and hospitalizations. AI and cybersecurity, safeguarding the digital world. As our reliance on digital technology grows, so does the need for robust cybersecurity measures. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and anomalies that may indicate a cyber attack. This capability allows for real-time threat detection and response, reducing the risk of data breaches and other security incidents. One of the key applications of AI in cybersecurity is the use of machine learning algorithms to detect malware. These algorithms can identify new and evolving threats by analyzing their behavior rather than relying solely on known signatures. The integration of AI in cybersecurity not only improves the effectiveness of security measures but also reduces the burden on human analysts. By automating routine tasks and providing actionable insights, AI allows security professionals to focus on more complex and strategic issues. As cyber threats continue to evolve, the role of AI in cybersecurity will become increasingly important in safeguarding our digital world. The future of AI holds immense potential to transform various aspects of our lives, from creativity and personalization to healthcare and cybersecurity. These innovations promise to revolutionize industries, improve efficiency, and enhance the quality of life. By embracing these advancements and addressing the associated challenges, we can unlock the full potential of AI to create a better, more connected world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more explorations into the InnoVision Tech channel. Until next time, keep looking up.